I don't think I shared this with you, but my long-term goal is I would like to compete.
Wow. Oh,
You
that's
know,
so
and if it's
sweet.
it just even if it's just one contest, I just want to see how far I can recomp my body and what kind of definition I can get, just for
Yeah,
personal.
for
And then if
sure.
it turns into something better, then I'm okay with that too if it goes farther. But well, first of all, if you're not following Built by Plants, I think you should. Naj is a very positive young man that can give you a lot of pointers, help you with your workout and your fitness, and make you comfortable with getting there as well. His workouts, everything is effective as far as what he do and his plan that he put together for you, but it's not intimidating. I think it's a place where you can be comfortable. And then also, if you're considering changing your diet, trying to eat a more clean diet, again, I mentioned the pocket coach. It kind of take a lot of the guessing work. If you don't know where to start, it takes most of the guessing work out for you. And start with the fun stuff. It's desserts on there and
Yeah.
fun snacks. So, I mean, you don't have to go all in. You can say, well, I want to change and I want to eat healthier snacks. Try, some of his nice cream that he has in the pocket coach. So it's not all whole food that's not fun. The fun foods are there. The journey is fun, but whatever you do it for yourself and be true to yourself because that's where your win is going to come.
I love that. I love that. I think that's an excellent place to end. Thank you so much, C, for hopping on and
Thank
sharing
you.
with the people, inspiring people. I know you don't say some words that probably got somebody working out right now while they watching this.
I hope so.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and I really think that this talk was going to help a lot of people moving forward in the future as well. So you're a real inspiration, seriously, and what
Thank
you
you.
accomplished on this challenge will for sure get a lot of people into action and into seeing that you can start seeing some results, by making some of the right changes and doing the things that need to be done, showing up every day for yourself and making the correct changes when needed and such. So I really
Definitely.
appreciate that. Loved having you in the challenge. Looking forward to you with your next month of free coaching.
Oh yeah, hopefully I'll make another step forward. My
Yeah,
goal is to move a little farther along.
yeah.
Now that I've got it started, so now that I have another month,
Hmm.
um, I plan to have another 30 days of progress too.
There we go.
So
There we go.
yeah,
I
yeah.
love
So
it.
maybe at the end of that month, I'll take some progress pictures and see what I look like
Wait. Yep.
from this, and yeah, see if there's any changes because
Oh
I
yeah.
really want to do a recomp for myself. And
Yes.
I don't think I shared this with you, but
Hmm.
my long-term goal is I would like to compete.
Wow. Oh, that's so
And if
sweet.
it's just even if it's just one contest, I just want to see how far I can recomp my body and what kind of definition I can get, just for
Yeah,
personal.
for
And then if
sure.
it turns into something better, then I'm okay with that too if it goes farther. But it's been a low key step that I've wanted to accomplish.
Hmm.
Like I said, I'm not new at working out. When I was younger, I was pretty fit, you
Hmm.
know, and I should have done it then, but I didn't.
Hmm.
Why, I have no idea. Just young and in a different place. Now, that's my goal. I want to try to accomplish my deadline, maybe by 60. So I want to do it at least by my 60th birthday. If it happened before, I'd be okay. So
Yeah.
I got about 4 years to make that happen.